Hey, C. Lindelof videos, differentiation using the quotient rule, and hopefully you already have the quotient rule memorized. Here, I just wrote it in a really quick form. So when we use the quotient rule, we're saying that we have a function over another function, and we're going to take the bottom function times the derivative of the top function minus the top function times the derivative of the bottom function all over the bottom function squared. Sounds like crap, but let's just see what we do here. So here's our function right here. This is, we want the derivative of this whole thing. First thing I'm going to do is start gathering my pieces. I need the top function, which I outlined here. I need its derivative, and the derivative of this is this. I need the bottom function, and the bottom function is, just like it says there, 5x squared minus 2. I'm going to take the derivative of that function, and the derivative of that function is, right, 2 times 5 is 10, so it's just 10x, isn't it? From there, all I'm going to do is build this, and I'm going to say, okay, I have f of x, so I want f prime. So f prime of x is equal to, right? It says bottom function times derivative of top function. So bottom function is 5x squared minus 2. The derivative of the top is 20x to the fourth plus 2x, right? It says here we're going to subtract, so there's our subtraction sign, minus top function, which is 4x to the fifth plus x squared plus 4, all times the derivative of the bottom function. And the derivative of the bottom function is 10x, isn't it? All over the derivative, all over the bottom function squared. So the bottom function is at 5x squared minus 2, and by definition says that we're going to square that. So I just squared it. So this is what we have. I recognize as much as you do that this thing can be simplified, and if you have time to do that, go ahead. But I just wanted to show you how this rule applies and the pieces that you need. So here's the derivative definition, and here's me gathering my pieces in a list, and then once I gather my pieces, I just insert them back into the formula. So I hope this is helpful. If you have questions or comments, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Oh, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Thanks.